Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the new session of your English lessons. Before we had stopped for the summer vacation, I had done a few chapters. Now, let us begin with a new chapter today, that is on articles. So, this articles is given in Standard 6 book as well as in Standard 7 book. In the Standard 6 book, it is chapter number 9, whereas for the Standard 7 students, it is chapter number 4. So, please, I have gone through both the books and the content is more or less the same. So, I am doing a thorough video on articles. Please refer to your books respectively and just listen to whatever I am telling, and if you want to make notes, just make notes of it or just go through your book. Everything you will find it there. Be very attentive and try to understand the concept. So first, let me ask you, what is an article? So most of you would end up telling me that article a and an the are called articles. Now the question arises, where to put in a, an or the? So from our childhood days, we have been learning about A, B, C, D, E, right, till Z. But have we ever taken care of learning about the phonetics of it? So phonetics basically talks about the sound that comes out when we speak such letters and words. So if we say A, the sound, the phonetics is different. A, B, B, C, K, Ka. So the sound for each word is different. So here we have to understand a concept. Most of the time we get confused that any word which starts with an A, E, I, O, U is a vowel, and accordingly we put in an. But the point that you have to keep noting over here is that it should have the sound that should begin with a E, I, O, U and not the letter or that particular word. The sound should have a voice or the phonetics or the sound of A, E, I, O, U and not the word. So in article, the words a, an and the are called articles. So we also call a and an, they are indefinite articles. Okay, why are they called indefinite articles? They are called indefinite articles because, as the name suggests, we are not sure about it. Okay, they do not point out to any particular thing or person. Whereas a and an is called a definite article because the is called a definite article or something we are sure about, or when we speak of something in particular or specific. So the is the definite article, whereas a and an is the indefinite article, right? So now the question arises, where to use an article an? So as given in your book, we can use indefinite articles a and an with countable nouns when the reader does not know exactly which one we are referring to. The example is given, police are searching for an 8-year-old girl. So we do not exactly know which girl, but it is some 8-year-old girl. Second, We can also use it to show the person or thing in one of a group. Like for example, she is a pupil at Disneyland school. So from out of many, she is one of them. We can also use articles. We can also use article, indefinite article with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Like for example, she was wearing blue shoes. So this is a plural noun over here, the shoes. And she has short black hair. So we do not use a indefinite article, that is a or an here. We use a and an to say what someone is or what job they do. Like my father is a doctor, right? Tina is a student. We use a and an with a singular noun to say something about all things of all kinds. Suppose a man needs friends. So all men, everybody needs friends. A dog likes to eat meat. So any dog, all the dogs, they like to eat meat. Now we use it in front of degrees, words such as an MBA. So here you would tell me why M starts from the letter M. So how can we put an an? So if you just pronounce this word, listen to the sound of this word M. So it sounds EM. So E, the sound E is that of a vowel, and that is why we put it an over here. M, BA, honest. So H is silent over here. And then if we speak the word honest, we see honest. H is silent and we listen ONEST. So the sound that we hear is that of a vowel O. So we put an over here, right? Same thing if you go in the standard 7 book, you see that is used before the words beginning with the consonant sound and not the word. A book, a table, a clock. An is used words beginning with a vowel sound. An elephant, an umbrella, an R. See, H is silent. So we hear our O sound. So here an is being used. Same goes with singular nouns and the first times we refer to a person, animal or thing. We don't use a and with possessive pronouns, demonstrative or cardinal numbers. The examples are given. We use one or more instead of a and an when the number is important. There is only one exit from the airport. So girls, please go through this. In the next chapter I am going to do the revision of the same, and I am going to take up the topic the definite article. Thank you.